Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium and Yabano. Asante Kotoko game and Obabo against Dreams FC. For now, dear. So we share Ubianya Shedamba Stadium has match start at 3 p.m. But nobody enter for here. Till there's over than the camera and the prayer changing the kakram. I'm more around than I send a stadium let's say at this particular moment. Yeah. Just say you should change say Mubeba. And say if you are looking at the venue at this moment, you realize it will be a Nyamba. I feel now Kurunku. Eba onamasia hwa ode ball no eba be set it up na ye hu se ne ebekọ Babara Sports Stadium start times for no so set some cameras na almost so this is the current state of Babara Sports Stadium and we are waiting for the fans to come in. The first person to enter the pitch Asante Kotoko Kate manager Feno Kurunko no na aba oba be set ball no na yehude I think say Dreams FC mabadada Asante Kotoko so abadada a enche omunyina ba bi ginem na ball no etimi eden abaso so yes our class for there what we are waiting for is the official lineup beba na magu se ne tumedie no ebe for Babara Sports. There have been some changes in the setup and no about possible lineup no suma as usual 10 out of 11 and I'm going to send you the 2 many now. Send you the 2 many 10 out of 11. Just one change per and a team until we are sharing possible lineup. Maybe an idea as to exactly what is going on at the Babara Sports Stadium. So we share the coach, your friend, Ogun game of boy against Israel by changes. And Danlad Ibrahim is still the goalkeeper for Asante Kotoko in today's game. Then you will get Prince Adesa. Prince is starting the game. I can't answer much yourself. Kotoko youth team now for me. The man Chena, Omadi youth team, the Prince Adesa. The Prince is starting the game for a year. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And the midfielder who never bought a year the right back position for Kotoko on the left side. You're having Nicholas Osei-Bonsu maintained by Coach Ogun Ewo, the left side of Kotoko. Then when you come to the middle, the center back position, because of the yellow card, red card, Henry Ansudi, coach is playing Abrantia, your friend Sheriff Mohammed, defender, the center back position, together with Henry Ansu. And together with Yusuf Nuruddin and Yusuf Nuruddin Sharif Mohammed 4 and 5. Now Prince Adesa right. Now in the middle, Coach Ogum is going with Sharif Mohammed midfielder, One Abranchev and Andrews Intimen, Mumienu Nebo, the base for Kotoko. Then Eric Zeze, Zeze will start for Kotoko. Eric Zeze is starting for Team FN Kumasi. Asante Kotoko, the number 10 position. The front 10 coach now maintaining Kalu Atara, now Ode Peter Aqua, Aminu Aqua, and Abrantia a friend Steve Mukwala as his front 3. In the game of boy against Yusua Treno, 2 changes. Wake up bench. Henry Ansu is out of the game because of a red card. Michael Chejamna is out of the game, so I posted 3 changes rather. And we answer Michael Chejamna, and Abrantef and Richmond Opoku, and a coach and I changes away your Eddie free team. So the other players are all playing on the bench. And when not Richmond Opoku will come, but news are bound on page said because of an emergency, we flew out Ama George Mfegue about the ship. As to say Mfegue is fully fit to play will be another story altogether. But coach, emergency call up Abbas and Umreya and Opeya and the mountain yourself. Mfegue comes in for Richmond Opoku to go. So this Babara Sports Stadium, we are waiting and check. We shot by 2 o'clock. Both teams were back now. So me boss be man. Danlad Ibrahim, Prince Adesa, Nicholas Osei-Bonsu, Sharif Mohammed, Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed midfielder, Andrew Sintimeno, Eric Zeze, Peter Apa, na Wenya Abrantia, friend Kalu Atara, and Steve Kuala. This is the lineup of Asante Kotoko. It's a bench. So Mfegue Kasari is on the bench. You get Mfegue Morrison on the bench. Bernard Sumwa is also on the bench. Now, when Nana Benjini Amwa on the bench, Michael Gamna is also on the bench. Dahuni Jaya is also on the bench for Tima FN Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So these are players on the bench, and George Mfegue is also on the bench. So in Mfegue, then you get Bernard Sumwa. Now, when you're Rocky Jamana, I nearly forget Rocky Jamana. Michael Jamana is also on the bench. Dawuni Yaya, na Wenya Nana Benyawa, and Mfegue Kasari. These are also the players on the bench for Team Mfegue Kumasi Asante. Best share with Nadia Kim, Baba.